and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Sapphire C. In this video I'm going to show you how to do round 17 and 18 of your fingerless gloves. These are the last two rounds before the top border, and you're just going to half double crochet around. So each round of the last two is just going to have 25 half double crochets. Of course, you can feel free to fast forward through these to the last slip stitch if you want to. Since this is pretty simple. Oops, almost made a decrease when I didn't want to. Okay. Okay, so then I will just make sure on that one, do I have 25 stitches? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25. I do. So then one more round of that. I'm just counting as I go so I don't have to recount, at least in my head. 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, whoops, 15, 16, 17, talking louder because I'm trying to drown out the noises of my family in the background. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Okay, and at this point you will do a slip stitch into that next stitch right here. Okay, and then in another video I will show you how to do the top border. So I hope this has helped you. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.